Hello everyone, my name is Ravinder Singh, HID H100002970. Me and my team made the capstone project in which we have to describe a strategic plan on how the hotels will reopen and adjust after COVID-19. Our hotel name is JW Marriott. As we welcome back you to our hotel, we are committed to provide you a safe environment that aligns with experts protocols to defeat COVID-19. In-house and outside experts in food and water safety, hygiene and infection prevention, and hotel operations. Our Marriott Cleanliness Council is redefining our cleaning and safety standards. We will actively monitor and evolve our solutions to ensure a continued focus on the health and safety of our guests and associates.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sanjeev Singh. My HRA is H1000278 and I am the student of Hotel and Restaurant Management at Hanson, Canada. And we got a project for our internship, and our topic was like how hotel can reopen up in this COVID, and what are their strategic plan in each departments. Our hotel was which was assigned by our teacher Sarita Salim. The hotel name was JW Marriott, and I was in the food and beverage department and security department. There are some crucial steps JW Marriott took in order to save their customers' life, like in the COVID pandemic, and they adjusted new rules like food and beverages. They increase the procedure of sanitizing and all that stuff, and always they use mask and gloves while preparing food. And also the main thing is less contact, and they in the check-in and check-out process they are not bothering their guests and their meetings. And also in the security purpose, the masks are mandatory, and the security guard is on the door. If somebody is without mask, he or she will be not allowed to enter in the building. And while entering at front, they have a sanitizing machine so they can sanitize their hands and car keys and etc. And that's the all stuff. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Pavandeep Singh, and I'm gonna explain about human resources and engineering and maintenance in Marriott Hotel. So first I will discuss about Marriott Hotel human resources. Marriott Hotels developed an isolated room has been specific in every chain of the hotel to cut off speculated cases. Also, in the event of suspected cases, hotel is depending on our government and general well-being authority to deal with the public well-being danger by COVID-19, and hotel should follow their direction. It had divided in 4 parts: branding, building brand image, increasing customer value, achieve operation excellence, good corporation citizen. Due to COVID-19, the department had taken all possible steps to make their process throughout without compromising with the convenience of customer. Also, they encouraging customer to wash and sanitize their hand often and maintaining social distancing. Furthermore, we are providing PPE, personal protecting equipment, if needed. It's necessary when hazard related to COVID-19. So my next topic is engineering and maintenance. This department making more awareness about engineering. Guest service technician should wash their hand throughout with soap and water regularly throughout the day, but particularly after responding to a guest call. If available, GSTs should carry a bottle of hand sanitizer which is at least 17% alcohol and apply it frequently. GSTs should carry disposable gloves with them and wear them during certain tasks and must wear mask at all time. It works like this: collection of required activities list, write and evaluate an initial plan, making a draft of step involved, start testing among the group, and that's it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing about the marketing and sales and accounting division in the Marriott Hotel. The fact of the matter that the pandemic is impermanent and will pass. Hence, we should keep anticipating the future just as to find a way to diminish difficulties from COVID and drive quicker repercussions. As a result, hotels advertise their market through online medias with help of advertisements to maintain their customers on a popular view and provide offers so guests can spend and save after this pandemic situation. Customer reviews will enhance the value of the hotel as well. As for the accounting division, the accountants have started to work from home and they've been sharing data through online measures